This is like my 10th time trying to make this. I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube in front of you guys today. I know some people find the sound of the Rubik's Cube twisting really relaxing, so I'm gonna scramble this up right now as much as I can. Scramble it up. That's scrambled enough, right? More scramble it. Okay. Oh, this keeps saying go. Okay, that's scrambled enough, right? Okay. This is like my 10th time trying to make this video because it's ridiculous how many people come into my bedroom while trying to make a video. It's crazy. But see, if I was actually getting distracted while I make videos, I normally don't make it if I get distracted too much or interrupted. But I'm making this one because one of my friends thinks that I can't solve the Rubik's Cube, so I am making this one for him. This is officially dedicated to him. And if you would like a dedication video, call 9. I'm kidding. Okay, so ta-da! Okay, so I can solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm gonna scramble it up again and talk to you guys while I solve it again. So, a few days ago, I actually lubricated my Rubik's Cube, and basically, if you don't know what lubricating is, it's when you your cube a bit more smoother, and I did that by adding olive oil and petroleum jelly in the cube. Okay, so what you do, how you lubricate it, is you basically twist the top part and then you pop this one open, and then you can just put oil into the core. When you're solving the Rubik's Cube, you want to solve it so that the colors matching the face is the color in the center. There are basically 3 types of cubes: the center cubes, and then the corner cubes, which have 3 sides, and then the middle cubes, which have 2 sides. I kind of regret lubricating it because, sorry, I'm still kind of mixing it up, because it got really greasy. Okay, so let me tell you what I think about this flagging business that is going on in the Whisper community. When every time Maria's video gets flagged, it just sorry, but it really pisses the crap out of me. What the hell did I do? Oh, I know. Okay. Yes, as I was saying, it makes me so mad that there are people out there. I mean, why would you want to flag her videos? And obviously the people who are flagging the videos are going to be people who watch Whisper videos, because people don't just randomly flag videos that fine. Like, you know what I'm saying, right? It makes me mad. And what makes me more mad is that I personally really want Maria to be a YouTube partner so that she can get like some payment for the awesome work that she does. Maybe, like, because I'm hoping that will maybe kind of maybe convince her husband that the work, the YouTube stuff that she does isn't just, nothing, because they'll get payment for it. Also, just Maria herself deserves the payment. She has so many subscribers and she's just really awesome and everything, so I don't know, just my personal opinion. Anyway, I wish they would stop flagging the videos, because one, the younger viewers can't see it, and you can't see it if you're not logged onto YouTube. 2, it's just, and it actually, if you keep flagging videos, your standard, your YouTube status or the position is in a risk of getting suspended or closed down, and if it gets suspended, Maria won't be able to upload YouTube videos or Whisper videos, which is really sad. And just, Maria herself doesn't deserve it at all. She's such a nice person, and it just makes me mad that there are people out there who, I don't know why they do it. Do they get, it's either one that they're jealous of how many subscribers that Maria has, so it might even actually be a whisperer that's flagging her videos, or it's some person that left a comment on her previous videos and maybe he or she criticized Maria for some whispering tactics, and Maria replied back, and maybe the commenter was offended, so now she's out to get Maria. I keep thinking it's a she because, I don't know, I personally feel that most of the guys are in love with Maria. I don't blame them, Maria is such an awesome person. Oh, but it makes me mad. I just hope that they stop flagging videos. I mean, she doesn't deserve it. People are so mean these days. Anyway, I hope she's well. Oh crap, I think I screwed up. Brilliant. I'll just do it again, since I'm not even doing anything. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, so, yeah, basically, that's what's making me mad. It's really stupid because I highly doubt that the person flagging is under 18. Oh crap. And it's terrible that an adult, because of jealousy, are flagging her videos. Oh, side note, I also get really pissed. I shouldn't use the word pissed because I know a lot of people don't like it when I swear in my videos, because it makes it not relaxing, but I hate it when people flag her videos for like the dumbest reasons ever. You know, that fur video that she did, and also, what else was there? Her souvenir video. Please, I've seen worse stuff on Shane Dawson's videos. Like, why doesn't he get punished for that? For the repulsive, vulgar stuff that he puts online. And people who actually watch Shane Dawson videos are kids my brother's age, like 6th graders, and they're talking, and basically in his videos, stuff like dildos and penises and all that kind of stuff comes out, and that's what she said. Sorry, but you know what I'm saying, right? I don't know, I get so mad when I see the flagging thing. thing talking about, the flagging thing. I think someone flagged a video because they were mad that she had a bull's horn, that there was this, I don't know, cup thing that she bought as a souvenir, and the foot of an animal. I know people, I love animals except for birds. I hate birds. I could care less about birds, I'm sorry, but I have the weirdest phobia for birds. I absolutely hate pigeons. Holy crap, I don't even know how I lived in England, but anyways. She bought a souvenir from the holiday, wherever she went, the Dominicana, but the bull was killed anyways. It's not like she went out and hunted for it. And she has a dog herself named Tyson. Do you really think that she is for animal cruelty? Like, some of the people who are in organizations are just, no offense, but the creepiest people that I've ever met. This video is probably not going to be relaxing at all, but there was a kid in my school last year who was really obsessed about, or he was, I think he was in PETA, whatever you want to call it. He was a member, and I remember this underclassman came in with, it was winter, and she came in with these earmuffs that were made out of rabbit fur, I think. And I love rabbits. They're awesome. They're so cute. But if you're gonna buy, and I don't even think she bought the earmuffs. I think she got it for a present or whatever. But no matter what you stand for, at the end of the day, there are gonna be people who are always gonna buy fur. I'm sorry, but that's just the truth. Mink coats, I'm totally against mink coats. My mum really wanted a mink coat because if you get one, it kind of shows, I guess, that, I don't know, it's really soft and warm, but they're really expensive. I was totally against my mum buying it just because it's ridiculously expensive, and two, I just think it's disgusting that they kill baby animals, because the fur is really soft on baby animals, not the adult ones. So they kill the younglings. I think it's disgusting. It's vile. But even though my mum didn't buy it, that doesn't mean 2 hours later some other woman's gonna come in and buy it. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, so he was so mad. He ripped it, and I was like, are you kidding me? It's the most stupidest thing that you could ever do. But then another person that I met, she was a vegan, and I have no problem with vegetarians and vegans. Some people do it for health. Some people do it because they don't like the taste of meat. My mum is not a vegetarian or a vegan, but she doesn't like meat, so although she will eat chicken from time, like I think she will eat boiled eggs. She likes eggs, but that's really her only source of protein. She hates the smell of meat. So anyway, yeah, there was this girl, and I was eating, I think, chicken, and she was like, I hate chicken, I can't believe you eat chicken, do you know how they kill the animals? And I was like, I'm pretty sure they do it not nicely, but just because I don't eat this chicken, it's already dead anyway, and just because I don't eat it, it doesn't mean that 100 other people won't eat it. I mean, okay, so, I don't know, gosh, it was just like a stupid ramble. Anyway, on a brighter note, what have you guys been up to? I have gone back to school. Oops. Yes, anyway, I have gone back to school. As you can all probably tell, I am a little busy, but it's getting better. Schoolwork is kind of hard sometimes. Sorry for the background noise. My mum is making dinner, so let's go down to this. Anyway, other than that, nothing really is going on in my life. I wish anything interesting happened, but nothing is really interesting. Sorry for the noise, guys. This is what I mean. I was basically interrupted so many times during the video. It was ridiculous. So, anyway, this will be it, guys. My next video is going to be a roleplay, and I will see you guys soon.